I have seen some reports, the video shootings, which cause some misinformation.
I am aware of these announcements from some media, but now the things are more clear.
Hello, I have Miss Maria Lampropoulou from Lampropoulou Law. Maria, hi, welcome back.
Hello, thank you for the invitation.
There's a particular thing that I would like to ask your view and analysis. I understand that there's a new regulation issued by the government like 2 weeks ago. And is there anything about the conversion programs and golden visa through these conversion projects? Is there something new that the government introduced in this regulation? I mean, because we know that the legislation for this was passed back in 2024. So this regulation includes something very new or contradicting from what we know from the legislation. If you can, shed a light on this, that will be very...
To start with, the new law, as you previously mentioned, was voted in April 2024. Right now, we received some clarifications from the ministry regarding the documentation that needs to be submitted to the ministry in order to apply for the golden visa. The only thing that was clarified is that for the program of commercial that turns to residential, this kind of properties, we will be obliged to submit a technical report by an engineer in order to prove this change of use, that the property was commercial and was converted to residential after April 2024. That's the only announcement that was done. There is nothing new in the law, nothing that changes what we already knew. In the meantime, as you are aware, we were proceeding with new applications with investors, but now the things are more clear, and as lawyers, we know what documents exactly are needed in order to proceed to the golden visa application.
Thank you very much for clarifying this. The reason why I wanted to have clarification, because I have seen some reports, of the video shootings, which cause some misinformation. They were reflected as if there's something new, which may contradict with what we had in the legislation, like there were some new issues or measures, that's introduced by this regulation. But these are cause confusion in the market, so that I wanted to clarify with you. So I think, and I hope that the things for your review of the documents also will be a little bit much less work maybe for the lawyers. And I'm hoping that maybe this will make the job of the officials at the ministry reviewing these golden visa documents much easier, maybe faster review.
I am aware of these announcements from some media. I want to be really clear, there is nothing new in the law. Right now, the work will be easier for us, because until now we were taking the responsibility of checking all the technical documents in order to advise our investors. Right now, an engineer will verify everything and will be responsible to prove the change of use. And for sure, we all hope that the ministry will process the applications faster, as they will not need to check thousands of documents.
That's very good news.
Yeah,
Thank you.
News. Thank you.